All right, let's take a look at example number 1 here. So we are given one angle, that one right there, 140, and two parallel lines, these ones right here, and we want to determine what the remaining angles are. So how we can do that is using any of our proofs that we came up with before. So depends on, you can kind of start wherever you would like to. I'll start with A right here. To find A, we'll go there. We can do 180 degrees minus 140 is equal to 40 degrees. And again, this is, I'm just going to do a statement and proof. I'm just going to put a little kind of T-chart in here. So this was our statement here. So A has to be 40 degrees because A and this angle here are supplementary angles. Okay, those two are supplementary angles. And so we can put in the 40 degrees right there. Now, there's a number of different ways that we could do the rest of them. But for B, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the fact that our two lines are, what were we calling them here? There we go, vertically opposite angles. Okay, so B has to be equal to 180 because these are vertically opposite, and make sure we get that right, OAC. AC. So vertically opposite alternate angles are congruent. So vertically opposite, so 140 and B have to be the same. So this has to be 140. And C we can find in a couple different ways. Okay, we could either say that A and C are vertically opposite angles, are congruent. Okay, so we could say that as well. Or we could use this as they are supplementary. I'm going to put in degrees there, that it's vertically opposite to C, or to A, sorry. Okay, so that gives us those four angles right there, so this is 40 degrees. Now, once we know these four angles here, we can directly transfer that to here. Okay, so we can say that, and I'm going to put this all into one kind of big thing here. D has to be 40 degrees. E has to be 140 degrees. F has to be also 140. And G is 40 degrees. And all of this is because, and let's go back to here, they are corresponding angles. Okay, they're the same group of angles on parallel lines. So these are corresponding angles. Okay, so they're corresponding, and we'll put that into pink right there. So 40 degrees, 140 degrees, 40 degrees, and 140 degrees. Okay, so these four angles have to be the same as these four angles based on the fact that they are corresponding angles and they're both on a, they're both on transversal and parallel lines.